Hello guys, konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? How are you? I hope you are doing good. Our topic for today is basic Japanese phrases for the tourists. The weather today is very hot and humid. Yes, super alinsangan po. Humid. In Japanese is Kyou no tenki wa atsuku te shike no oi desu. Kyou no tenki wa atsuku te shike no oi desu. Or Kyou wa moshi atsui desu ne. Moshi atsui desu. The weather is hot and humid. Is Kyou wa moshi atsui desu. Very hot is totemo atsui. Totemo atsui desu. Today is very hot is Kyou wa totemo atsui desu. Danger is kiken. Danger is kiken in Japanese. Kiken. Dangerous is abunai. Dangerous is abunai. And or yabai. Yabai. I'm not feeling well is choushi ga warui. Choushi ga warui. I'm not feeling well. Are you okay? Daijoubu desu ka? Are you okay? In Japanese is daijoubu desu ka? And the next is, do you want me to call an ambulance? Ambulance in Japanese is kyukyusha o yobimasu ka? Yes is onigai shimasu. If yes is onigai shimasu. If no is iie daijoubu desu. Iie daijoubu desu. Sorry for disturbing you is ojama shite sumimasen. Sorry for disturbing you is ojama shite sumimasen. The next one is, please call an ambulance. In Japanese is kyukyusha yonde kudasai. Thank you for your kindness is go shinsetsu ni arigatou gozaimasu. Go shinsetsu ni arigatou gozaimasu. I'm really sorry is hontou ni gomennasai or hontou ni sumimasen deshita. And the last one is last janai. The next one is, please take care of yourself or get well soon is odaiji ni shite kudasai ne. Yes, thank you is hi domo or hi domo arigatou gozaimasu.